Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech EPU. In this video I am gonna teach you how to create a YouTube channel. This video is specially for beginners. So let's start the video. Open your browser and type in the search bar YouTube and click on the first icon, or you can directly type youtube.com. So here on the right side YouTube is asking to sign into your Gmail account. If you have already created your Gmail account, you can log into your existing account or you can create your new account. I am using my existing account. After signing in with your Gmail account, you need to click on this icon. Next step, you need to just click on the create a channel, and here you can type your channel name Tech EPU. Just need to scroll down the page, or you can tab button from the keyboard, and now just need to click on the create a channel. That's all. Now our channel is created successfully. In the next step, we will make some basic settings of the channel. Again, click on the right side top icon, and further need to click on the YouTube Studio, because all of the settings of your channel is given in YouTube Studio. Now we are on the dashboard of the YouTube channel Tech EPU. So here we need to update some basic settings to start our channel. On the left side menu you can see setting option is given. We need to click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, here you can see there are further 6 options are given, but we need to update only the first two options. And on the second option there are 3 further options are given. In the basic info option, you need to select your country. Click on this option, you will see a list of all countries. I am selecting United States. And on the second option you need to update your channel keyword. Now we had added our channel keywords. Now we are moving to second option, advanced setting. Further there are 3 options are given. First, if your content is for kids, you can select the first option, and if your content is not made for kids and only for adults, you can click on the second option. And if you want review all your videos when you are uploading and video and want to review your video that it will be for kids or not, you can go through for with third option. So my content is not for made for kids, so I am going to click on the second option. After this I am moving to third option, feature eligibility. There are further 3 options are given. First is enabled, we can upload the videos, create a playlist. And on the second option, if we want to upload more than 15 minutes video and upload our customized thumbnail and want to go live streaming, so we need to complete some further requirements. You can click here and you can see here YouTube is asking to add your verify your phone number to enable your second intermediate feature option. And also if you click on the third option, 4 requirements are given. First, we need to complete the intermediate feature option, and after this we need video verification and upload our valid ID, government ID, and YouTube also review our channel history to enable this third feature. So we need only to update these 2 things, and we already have done. So we need to just click on the save the settings. On the left side menu, when you scroll down the bar, you can see here a customization option is given. Click on the customization option. After clicking on the customization option, you can see here the 3 further options are given: a layout, branding, and basic info. So how your channel will shown to the public. this is the basic setting of the channel. You can change this setting as per your requirement, like if I want to delete these sections. Now I want to add a section, like first I want to show that popular videos, I want to show all my videos, and at third I want to show my created playlist, and at fourth I want to show my live streaming option. Now I am moving to the second option. On the second option, branding, you can upload your channel logo, channel banner and channel watermark. And on the third option, basic info, you need to update your channel description, like you can type a description as per your channel category. After updating the description of the channel, scroll down the page and you can see here links options are given. If you want to link your Facebook page or website or LinkedIn ID, Twitter ID or any social media account, so you can link your social media accounts through this process. If you want to link your website, you can type your website name here and website URL here. You can link multiple social media accounts with your channel, like Insta, after linking your social media accounts with your YouTube channel, here you can see contact info option is given. If you want to show your email account to your views or public, so you can type here your email ID. All the settings are complete. We just need to click on the publish button to save our all the settings. After saving the setting, you can click on the view channel. It will show you how your channel look like. We did not have uploaded anything yet to our channel, so that's why it's showing completely blank. Here you can see the description of the channel and details. Now all the settings are complete. Hope you guys learn how to create a YouTube channel with basic settings. So bye for now.